Hello there, crafty friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share my second set of the June 2022 SheetLoad of Cards. In the description box below, I will have all the information as to where you can go to get your own SheetLoad of Cards printable if you haven't already done that, and also a link to my first set of cards that I did the fold wrong, so today I did it properly. Go me. And also I'll link to Crafty Al's debut video that tells more about the SheetLoad of Cards. It's a great printable each month, free, just need to be a subscriber of Crafty Al's channel. She gives you a sketch, all the stuff you need, and a cutting guide. When I made my first set, I was in La La Land, and this month is a special Joy Fold or like Fun Fold edition, and I did not do that. But it was still turned out neat. I wanted to make sure that I made a set the right way. So the supplies that I used for today's card was this pretty paper from Stampin' Up called Flower and Field Designer Series paper. And then I used my favorite butterfly punch in the whole wide world by Martha Stewart, no longer available, but it's my favorite. I used my Banners Pick-a-Punch from Stampin' Up. And I used this reverse confetti, A Friend Like You stamp set. I'm not sure if that's still available. If it is, I will try to link it in the description box below. And on to my set of cards for my second set. They all say thanks, my friend, and there are 6 cards, 3 of each design. And like I said, I did do it properly. It opens this way and this way. I did go ahead and decorate the inside of mine. I had enough paper that I could do that. I just thought it added a nice finishing touch to it, and then it folds up like that. I did add the butterflies on each of them. On this set, it kind of got lost, but I wanted to have some uniformity between it all, so that's how that one looks. And then that's how the final one looks. Super easy. I do really like this sheet load now, especially that I did it the correct way. It is a really easy one to put together. It would be great to mass produce or like make gift sets, because how fun are these? I think that anyone would be happy to receive those as a gift set. And I'm just so happy that I was able to get another set done this month. So thanks so much for stopping by. Again, this was just a real quick short video to share that I did a second set. Everything's in the description box. I will be back soon with some more videos. I hope you have a great day. Stay crafty, and it is hot out there, so stay cool. See you soon.